Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. So today I just want to show you a simple way of how to grow food without weeds. Well, I don't really like to call them weeds because to me all plants have a purpose in the entire ecosystem, but you not necessarily want to grow any plant in your garden bed or where you grow your food. Let me show you now how I do it, how I grow lots of food without the unwanted plants. And here's a great example how I do it. So everything what you see here is food, and basically there is no place and no space for the weeds. Some bananas and pigeon peas growing in a circle. They protect the understory from too hot sun in the summer. And you can see here, yes, so some bananas, some pigeon peas, and here some lemongrass, pigeon peas again, and the understory, the ground cover here in this circle are different edibles. So like for example the West Indian gherkin here, I just want to show you one. Here is a little one, I just harvested few today. Here is a larger one. So this size of West Indian gherkin is a really good size to eat as it is, because the seeds are very little, so it tastes very much like normal cucumbers. And yeah, if they're larger, so they are not really very good because of the large seeds, but that's how they are. You can also do pickles with them. By the way, the West Indian gherkin is a self-seeding plant. I have it every summer. It loves hot summers. This is Egyptian spinach, also self-seeding. His time is nearly over for now, but you can still harvest some leaves. But yeah, you can see the seeds already here, and it will grow next summer again. Or if you want to have it somewhere in the garden, you just throw the seeds where you want to have them and it will come back. So there is plenty of the longevity spinach, delicious plant, grows like crazy in our subtropical climate with delicious leaves. You can eat them raw or in stir fries. What else do we have here? The Okinawa spinach. Here the Brazilian spinach. You can see that some leaves are eaten a little, but it really doesn't matter because we have so much food here everywhere growing in our food forest that we can easily share. So yeah, this is how I'm doing it, at least with the perennials and the self-seeding edibles in our food forest, and it works very well for me. For the annuals, I'm choosing the raised garden beds, and if you do them right, you don't have basically any weeds as well in there. Like here, for example. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please put a thumb up for me, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, you know where I am.